live because I didn't capture it so live. I think we will go for another one. Sorry about that. So, but see where we are currently. Actually, I think I came live and it was unlisted, so that's why I wasn't able to capture the exact live. So it's actually listed at 0.042, and you can see how it is now. The people that were here before it came live, right before it sprung up, were the people that actually, because see, it listed at 13 cents. And you can see that right now it's currently at 3 cents. This is a kind of what we call like a pump and dump. In a way, it's like a pump and dump, as you can see here. Um, so see what's going on here. See what's going on here, and that's why you have to really be very careful. I'm going to have to do this again. This one did not. I wasn't able to fully capture it, so sorry about that. So I think we will have to do this again. Let me. But this is just like, showing you what exactly happens at this pump and dumps. Okay, a lot of you might even understand the pump and dump strategy. People that come in that are the first to take position are the ones that actually get the best. So now look at it. It was listed at 13 cents, but now once it was listed, people bought and people are selling. Now look at this. You can see that it's definitely, if I click on the buy now, you will see that in the spot section, you can see the movement. You can see how people are rushing, how people are trying to take positions. And this is something that you have to be very careful about, very, very careful about. Because if you're not careful about it, you will take a position and then you'll be waiting on ending, right? You'll be waiting on ending. Let me see what is going on right now. You can see here that it's actually going up. It's going up. It was listed at 13 cents. It went down to 3 cents because people quickly took position and quickly people bought. So right now it is rising and rising and rising. You can take a position here if you're interested, right? But I'm just covering this for you to see how this actually rolled out. As you can see now, it will continue to rise gradually. This is a 1 minute time frame. So let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. So the 15 minutes time frame, you see it's the same thing. It was listed at 13 cents, and now it's currently at, what is the price right now? It's currently at 5 cents. Now, if you want to come in at this point, the best time to come in was at the beginning and just wait for it to slide up. I'm telling you, hi guys, they're doing the live launch of Paxi USDT. I didn't capture the very beginning because I went out of the live stream and came back. So, well, kind of at the beginning anyway. So you can see how this is going. This is the best time to go in. The best time to go in is when it was very low at that point. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, you will see it's still trying to rise up. People can still come in at this point. If you come in later than this point, I tell you, you are the long thing. You want to take it? So we're going to just cover this for another few minutes and see how this is rise. I can see from the 15 minutes time frame. I'm still going to do this again because I didn't really capture the very, very beginning, right? So I'm still going to do this with, let me show you. If I go out of here, I'm going to go to where the new listings are. So I think we can jump over. Yeah. See, we have one that is 25 minutes from here. So because that's the one that I will do next, that I will make sure that I capture as much as possible. But meanwhile, while we're currently on the live stream with Paxi USDT, we want to see how that's going to work out in the next maybe 20 minutes or thereabout. Hey guys, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. We are currently in the live launch of Paxi USDT, and we're going to jump into SDB soon. SOB or SDB. We have like 20 minutes for that. So I'm just capturing this, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know. No. Let me see if I can get your comments. Okay, I'll be able to see your comments as it comes in, so that I'll be able to know what you think. So do you think this particular coin is good for you to take? What do you think about it? You can just let me know in the comments. I'd like to know. Let me know who's here. Say hi in the comments. It's currently at 4 cents. This was at 2 cents. Yes, when it was listed at 13 cents, right? And then it ran down to the bottom, to very, very bottom. And then let me show you the 1 minute time frame. Let me show you the 1 minute. Where's the 1 minute? Oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong place. Let me show you the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame. Can you see this? I told you, see, can you see? Within 1 minute, see, it's got, within 1 minute, my people, see, within 1 minute, it went down to, what am I doing? Oh, sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just mixing it up. Okay. Am I reducing the size or increasing the size? I don't even know what I am doing. I'm trying to get you the price it went down to. Okay, it went down to 3 cents. Yes, it went down to 3 cents. See, no, it went down to, yeah, 3 cents. Now, currently, see where it is now. It's now at 4 cents. So imagine you came in when it was 3 cents. Imagine you came in when it was 3 cents, people. What would it be? Let's go back to 15. Let's go back to 15. Okay, 15 minutes time frame. You can see that it's still rising. What's our current price now? Let me check the current price. The current price is at 4 cents. Oh my God, guys. I mean, you guys could have made money just right now. Now, don't forget that I'm also trying to do a trade here. And so I would have taken a position, I definitely would have. Because you see, it's always best to be here at the beginning, at the very beginning, I'm telling you. So you can see it's at 4 cents, 4.5 cents, 4.5 cents, guys. This thing is super going up. Let's see whether it will get to it. Now, don't forget, we still have SOB. This is 0.045. 0.045. What's it gonna get to in the next few minutes? We don't know. That's why we're doing the live coverage here. Hi, guys. You're welcome. Say hi in the comments. I will be able to see your comments if you say hello. Say hi. My name is. Let me know. And if you're joining the replay, and if you're joining and watching the replay, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay. So this is going up. Oh my God. It's currently at, oh Jesus. See, it's at 049. 049. Oh my God. It's at 50, guys. What are you waiting for? You can take this. Oh my God. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. You guys missed out. You guys missed out. You can still take a position here, but once it gets halfway, forget it. It might start dropping because this is a 15 minutes time frame. Let me go with the 1 hour time frame and see what's going on. Or let me check the 5-minute time frame. No. Let's do the 3-minute time frame. Let's do the 3-minute time frame. See. Oh God. See, can you see? It's the SAR is still underneath. It fell at one point, but man, you can actually take a position now if you want to be part of this. If you want to be part of this, it's at 51. It's at 52. Oh God. Oh my God. Let's leave this a bit. Let's go check what's happening to our trade for a little bit. This Paxi, right? Paxi USDT. Let's go and see what's going on. So we have, is this SDB that's supposed to launch? Is SDB. SDB will launch in 21 minutes. So that one will definitely capture that for sure. I want us to capture that. So guys, stay with me. Stay with me on the live. Currently, where are we? Okay, Paxi is no longer here. Paxi would be in the gainers right now. Probably. Is it in the gainers? It's not yet in the gainers. Okay, it's still working. Still working. So let's go back where Paxi is at 52, guys. If you had taken a position when it was 3 cents, you would have made money. You'd be able to cash out immediately. Paxi USDT. Let me just check for burn hour and come back to Paxi USDT. Oh my God, I think we are going up. I think burn hour is going up. Let me check what's going on with burn hour. Oh, beautiful. We're currently going up, right? Let me go to my 1 hour time frame to see. Oh yeah, look at it. Can you see? We're seeing the SARs under. Okay, that's a good sign. Okay, let me get back into Paxi. Let's look for Paxi. Let's see. Paxi. It's really currently doing its thing right now. It's in the greens, guys. 52. Where are you? Do you want to take this? Take advantage of this. This is new listings. Yeah. I'm telling you, oh my God, it's gone down again. 54. What are you people doing? Have you taken it? My trade is already in burn R, so I'm not doing any of that. So if you want to take it, this is your sign. 52. Oh my God. From 3 cents to 52. Just imagine if you put in some good money. You would have made money. You would have made money, guys. You would have made money, guys. Yes. Thanks for the likes. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We are doing what we call a live coverage, and we're gonna jump into SDB when it's about to launch, okay? Because I want to capture the real point. Yes, I want to capture the real location. Yeah, where it will now be showing us. Okay, so while that is going on, you can see we're currently at 52. 52, that's 0.51. So this is, I mean, you can see what is happening now. This is the fluctuation area. This is the fluctuation area. So I'm trying to show you this so that you know at what point to get out, okay? Now, when you see that it's fluctuating, look at it. If you had come in when it was 3 cents, okay, and you see that there is a lot of fluctuation, a lot of moving up and down, at that point you get out. That's the time to get out. I did BOME, BOME, USDT. I actually took that trade. I went in and out like about 3 times and I made money. But you see, the third time was very dicey. The third trade I took was very, very dicey, my people. In fact, I told myself I would not do, if I'm doing any new listings again, I would only go in twice, maximum. That would be maximum, maximum, maximum. Why? Because by the third time, it was just grace that helped me to get my money out. It was grace. So now you can see it was at 52. It was even at 54. This is the best time to get out if you had entered at 3 cents, people. If you had entered at 3 cents, that would have been the best time to get out. So I think at this point, I will close the live. I'll come live again. Oh, or maybe should we wait? Do you think we should wait? Tell me yes or no. Should we wait? Let's go check. Let's go check BOME, and we'll do. No, that's it, BOME. Let's do some other things while we wait. I don't want to go off the live, right? I don't want to go off the live because if I go off the live, I may not want to come back and do the live again. So maybe I'll just hold on to. You can see here is at 046, 045. It's not going up further. At this point, it's gotten to the stability point. If you have entered at 3 cents, right, that's the point to get out. I would always say, make sure that your estimates are very, very very, very, what was the word? What's that word? Considerate? No, that's not the word. I've forgotten the word anyway. Just make sure that you choose, not, I won't call it negligible, but very considerate, interests, so that you don't get hung up and hooked. Because a lot of people will enter here and they're already here. They're already here. Can you see? Look at this. Let's check what it is currently right now. We have the liquidity is about 58,000 USDT, right? That means that people have put in money here. A lot of money has been put in here, right? And if people don't get out, they're going to be burnt. I'm telling you, their fingers are going to be burnt. Your fingers are going to be burnt. I'm telling you. So at this point, you can see it's not going up further. It's not going up further. It's currently at 44. Currently 42. I'm telling you, if you don't want to get your fingers burnt, this is the time to leave. Let me go check SDB and see what's going on. SDB, we have 15 minutes to go. Okay, I'll just wait. I'm not going to go off the live. So guys, if you want to be part of this, just join me. We got 15 minutes more to go. Okay, but while I'm not going to waste your time, I'm going to teach you something so that we don't waste time. So let's go back into our trade, our bond, our trade. And then I'm going to show you something that's currently going on in the bond R trade that we took 2 days ago. So it's already inching up, right? It's inching up, and you can see right now that we have four SARs under it, which shows that there's a lot of hope. We are in the greens now. So I pray it's just going to be an upward trajectory from now on. Right now, it's looking really good. Now, but first of all, let's go check what's happening to our big brother BTC. BTC should be appreciating by now. That is what is, I'm hoping that will give me hope. I'm just waiting to see, an SAR underneath it. Once I see that SAR, I know that it's time for BTC to pump. Now, but how long will it take to get back to 104,000? I don't know. But I want to presume that if it's able to break forward beyond where it is right now, guys, thanks so much for being here. I'll appreciate it if you give us a subscribe, a like, or a super chat. Thank you so much. So if this gets what's it called now, an SAR under it, because right now it's a red candle, so that's what is even giving me some little issues right now, but it's still looking like it's going to go up. The BTC hasn't exactly appreciated, so let's go back and choose. Now I want to talk about this. I want you guys to listen very well. The choosing gainers or you losers, which one is better? You guys, you can say hello in the comments. It will be nice. I'll see it if you type it here. I'll see your comments and I'll be able to share whatever your questions are. Now, some people say, oh, why don't you use losers? So I'm going to tell you the concept of losers versus the concept of gainers. So while we are waiting for SDB is in about 13 minutes. Let me share that insight with you. Now, the concept of using gainers, if you take a good look at it, PMIND look at this green box here. It says plus 685.52% in the past 24 hours. That is the change. That is the rate of increase, right? That means that within 24 hours, it has skyrocketed more than 6 times. Look at the one on top here, is 888. That's almost 9 times. That means that it is going with power and strength. Now, the concept, the reason why I use gainers, and this is the concept, listen to the concept. The reason why I use gainers is because if something within the last 24 hours has increased by the rate of almost times 6 times 7 times 8, within the next 24 hours, it cannot be so bad that at least it will be times 4 or times 2, or at least to be in an upward trajectory. Oh, don't let me bite my tongue. It will be in an upward trajectory. Okay, that's the reason why I use gainers. But you see, this is the place of you have to be very careful. Like I've added a 4th parameter by checking the higher time frames to be able to understand the trend of that particular market. Okay, so gainers are good. I prefer using gainers. So why do people say you should use losers? People say you should use losers because if it's at the lowest ebb, it should change and start going up. I mean, it makes sense. Look at it. Let's look at this hippo. Look at this hippo. Hippo is really bad, right? This is 1 hour time. It dumped, bam, like that. So they're expecting that it should start going up. And that's exactly what's happening. You can see here, it dumped, but now it's in the green. It's trying to go up. So the concept of using losers is that if it has dumped, if it has really dumped, after a while, it will start going up. I agree, you're right. But it's still a probability. What if this hippo keeps on going down? You're going to lose your money. Trust me, your money is going to be lost. I've tried all these parameters before. I have tried using gainers. I've tried using losers. I have done them over and over again. I even said, okay, let me not be biased. Let me use losers again. I tell you, it was a struggle. It was a struggle. So because of that, personally, I know that it's a good thought to say, okay, yeah, after the money has gone down, it will start going up. Yes, I agree. But when? What if it doesn't? So that's why I stick with gainers, people. I stick with gainers. Oh yeah, let's go check SDB. Let's go check SDB. We've got 10 minutes more. 10 minutes more. But meanwhile, we also have to go check our Paxi. Okay, let's go check what's going on in Paxi. Bond R is going up, obviously. Like I told you, it is appreciating. I'm going to go into bond to Paxi now. Okay, we're good. We're still having even though the last candle is a red one, but don't worry, it's definitely going to go up. So let's quickly go and check Paxi. Let's see what's going on with Paxi. Okay, so Paxi, let's see the price. It's at 4.6. People, at this point, I've already told you what you should do. And we're going to see it live. 2 live shows, okay? We're going to see 2 live shows, guys. You can see right now, it has refused to go up higher. Let's go for the 15 minutes time. It is at 43. I mean, when I tell you something, just listen to it. If you had entered at 3 cents or 2 cents, and you're going to see this, a repeat of this, to see what's going to happen in SDB, right? I'm telling you this. This is part one. We are seeing Paxi live. Okay. At this point, it's not going up further. It's at 043, 044. And this thing got to 04. It got to 052. If you have entered at 3, don't bother going up. I know that people say, it will still go up. Yes, I know. It might. The word is might. The word is might, people. Might. If it doesn't go up, what are you going to do? Tell me, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Right? Okay, at this point, I'm actually going to cut the live. I want to cut the live so that I don't waste your time. And I'll be back to show you, what's going to happen in the next one. See ya.